Hi guys, my name's Luke, and today I'm going to talk to you about 3 tips to help you improve your material flow within your facility. So manufacturing facilities, they're under increased pressure to continuously cut waste and perform at a very high level in such a highly competitive market. And the outset of COVID-19 and trying to come back from all the issues that this has caused is making it even harder and adding a lot more complexity on manufacturing facilities dealing with shortages and trying to get it all back up and running again after such a big event. So as I said, the global manufacturing environment is fiercely competitive, with many players competing to win the vote of consumers as well as businesses. And because of this, there's been an even more concentrated focus on improving material flow and overall manufacturing protocols. Now, these improvements can lead to a better product quality, improved delivery times, a reduction in inventory, and a reduction in the number of defects. But most of all, hopefully adding all of these together leads to an improved customer satisfaction. So coordinating the materials and a manufacturing process in this global environment, as discussed before, is not an easy task. So the flow of materials outside your own facility has many different forces, and obviously the materials and the flow of your materials within your facility is impacted for better or worse. So now we'll just go through the top 3 tips for improving your material handling flow. So step number 1 for improving your material flow would be improving the process of your material flow. So making sure that you have a system for tracking all of your materials. So this could be similar to when you purchase a product off a website or of Amazon. You receive notifications throughout the whole flow of the shipment. So in most cases, it may look something as you would receive an order confirmation, then you would receive a notification to let you know that it's been shipped with a tracking number, a delivery completion notification, then an after-sales follow-up. But when it comes to manufacturing and industrial businesses, the ordering of bulk materials becomes more complex, and it can be more difficult for your team or for your facility to track and monitor the flow of materials. But this is the first recommendation to sort of improving how your materials are working within your facility, just making sure you know what is coming in, what is going out, and at what given time they are, and so you can forecast when different materials will be coming in. So step number 2 to improving your material flow would be implementing some sort of milk run delivery process. You can do this with tugger trains, but having a milk run delivery of parts and materials to your assembly line, this gives you a more organized approach to your material flow. So you can have a call or a pull system that ensures that the materials needed are only delivered when they are necessary. This can be a little bit difficult to do outside of your own facility. However, having your suppliers as neighbors or close by to your facility means that this type of pull system can be implemented and can be used when materials are needed within your facility. Okay. The third tip for improving your material handling flow within your facility is just developing an overall efficient material transportation. So from when your supplier ships you your materials to when you ship out your final goods to your customer, the transportation needs to be safe, secure, and efficient. Using tugger trains or AGVs and AMRs can ensure that your parts and materials are delivered to where they are supposed to be on time, meaning that you have an efficient material transportation system within your facility. So what is your next step? We would suggest by starting the process by focusing on what you can control, your internal processes and your intralogistics. You can start by asking yourself the following questions. How does your internal process look? What delivery methods do you use? What material handling equipment are you using today? By starting small and taking it in sections, this can lead to you improving your material flow in your facility. If you would like to learn more about any of the FlexQube system or learning more about improving your material flow, you can head to our website at www.flexqube.com. Please feel free to share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys.